Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Becky Bex. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and drop a comment in the comment section. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. So, today's video, I will be showing you guys how I clean my tiger prawns. Yes, this is called tiger prawns, and I got this for about 12,000 naira. And over here, we have about 10 pieces. Yes, 10 pieces of tiger prawns. So first of all, we start by taking out the head or pulling out the head from the body of the prawns. So the next thing you'd want to do is to remove the hard outer covering of the prawn or the shell of the prawn. Like you just have to peel it off. Then you see the softer part of the prawn. And there's one thing I like to do. I like to leave the last part of the shell, like the one close to the tail of the prawn, the last part of the shell. Yes, because when you take photos of it, it gives it a really pleasing sight. It makes it look really beautiful. Yeah, when you leave that last part, like the tail. Some people take it off. It's optional anyway. Some people take it off, but I don't like to remove mine. I just make sure to wash the tail very well, just to remove sand and other things there. So the next thing you do is to take your knife and cut open like the back of the prawn in between the back. And there's this long jelly like stuff you'd see when you open it. You have to take that off too. It's called the digestive tract. Yes, that's poop. Some people don't mind keeping it, but it has a sandy texture, so I'm not sure you'd want to have it there. So do well to take it off. Don't forget. Many people forget to do that, but it's not a good sight, because that's poop. So just take it off. So I went ahead to do the remaining 10, and trust me, I enjoy cleaning my prawns myself. I enjoy it. So see how long this is? It is so long, and prawns are so sweet. I hope you all know the difference between shrimps and prawns. This is a tiger prawn. So I kept on to do all of them. I kept taking off their heads. And now, guess what, guys? You can keep the head, right? You can keep the head for other things, to cook other things. Some people use it to cook soup, some people can use it to make native stew. So it's just based on preference. You can take it off, you can throw it away, or you can keep it and use it.
Life not be bed of roses, yes we know. You the hustle every day to get the dough. Monday to Sunday hustle for some more. When it feels like you're not getting through, don't stop. Cause soon the blessing go come. The light will shine on your door. Celebrations coming your turn. Keep holding on, it's on God, on God. Don't lose yourself on the way. In good time, the things you need will come your way. I dey pray for joy for you. May His blessings and joy always see you through. What I things go right, 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 right. Good up, right, 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 right. You know, keep your peace of mind. For joy, pray for joy for you.
So guys, at this point I was done cleaning all 10 of my prawns, and this is me just checking the water to make sure that there's no one left. So the next thing I'll do is to take off the head from the water, like all 10 of it, clean it very well, and then keep it aside. I'll set it aside. I will have to blend it. Now, what you do is blend the head. When you're done blending it, you can put it in a sieve just to remove the shaft. Remove the shaft from you remove the shaft and then strain out the water. Now, is that water you can use to cook your soup, or your stew or your native stew, however you want to do it. So this is my cleaned prawns. You see how clean it is. Now I'll still have to wash this over till the water becomes clear. I'll wash this like 3 times and concentrate very well on the tail because there might be sand there. So concentrate on the tail, wash it very well, and before you can go ahead to steam. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.